Hey there, okay, here's a cool one. This one's called the Bullish thrusting line. Okay, and they happen at the bottom of trends. Alright, now they consist of 4 candles. Alright, so let's go ahead and type this in. This is thrusting lines. Bullish thrusting lines. Okay, alright, so the way this works is that you're coming in from a downtrend, okay, and you've got your bear bar, and you got another bear bar, and then you got another bear bar. The size of it doesn't really matter, but most of them need to be really the same size. Okay, if two of them look bigger than another one, but the smallest one still looks of ample size, then it's good enough. Okay, because it's all about sentiment as well. You need to make sure they're of ample size as well. And 50% of the last bar is where the next candle's high comes in. But what's happened here is that it's opened at where the previous close is, and it's come down. It's come down, it's gapped down from here, but the market has pushed itself up. It's made a new low. So it's a fail. What this basically is saying, it's a failed continuation. What would happen normally would be, this is the close here, and this would normally be the open, but the open is not at the top, it's at the bottom because it's a continuation of the downtrend. So what's happened is it's gapped down to make that new low, to let you know that this, once this bar finishes, the next bar when it comes in here, this one will actually confirm. Alright, and if this high is higher than that one, then you should be fine to go long on this bar. Okay, so here is where it's made that new low, but it should have been a red candle. It should have been coming down, but now the bulls have taken control, stopped there and said, right, okay, then the next one's gone up. Alright, so that one's a failed downtrend. Alright, that's the bullish thrusting lines. We can go ahead and show you what it looks like on the charts as well. Alright, so your areas, you're coming in from the downtrend, and this is one that says the opposite as well. This is like the bearish one. This is the other side, and then we've got another one over here where you've got your downtrend. Okay, you've got your candles coming all down, and then this one here does make a new low or an equal low. I think it's actually lower, and it's around about 50%, just under, right underneath, and then the next bar comes in, goes long, and then you go long on this bar, and then you take out. Well, that actually goes up to 236 pips. Alright, so that's what you could probably get out of that. Actually, sorry, that was, I'm on a 5-digit broker here. I thought I was on a 4-digit for a moment. So that's 24 pips that you can get out of there. Alright, so yeah, only in downtrends you need to make sure that the ball candle needs to make a new low. See, it's actually made a new low here. I can probably zoom in and show you where it's actually made a new low. So this green candle here is actually made a new low right here, and the red one's there. So I can put my line. That's where the low came in from that. So this is a failed continuation of this downtrend, you see, and then this one comes in and almost gets to about half of that, and it decides to go up a little bit later. Alright, so pretty little neat one. It doesn't really take too much brain work to understand what it's saying. Try not to be you know, fall into going long on these huge monster ones here. These are fakies. Okay, let's see if we can see any more. Okay. Don't really see many more. I mean, here's kind of one there, but it's not. Kind of, but it's not. This is actually you know, more like I think we've covered this one yet. A bit like the dark cloud cover. Okay. Anyways, it looks. Oh, here's one right here. Oh, actually, no, it's not. They didn't actually close lower. It does need to actually have a lower low as well on the other candle. So, alright, well, I won't bore you with too much with me trying to search for more of them. I'm pretty sure that you know what the formation looks like now, so you can go ahead and have a little hunt and do some back testing, which is what we're doing here. We're going back, we're left clicking on the chart and I'm moving back or moving forward so I can scroll through the chart. You need to make sure you got this auto scroll off, otherwise the chart will go to the very front on the next tick. Alright, so okay, so I'll leave you with that video and I'll see you very soon in the next one. Bye for now.